There's a quiet alchemy in every kitchen, a moment when flour, water, and memory decide to become something more. This is the story of a bread that is more than a bread. It's a bridge, a braid woven between my hands and the hands of the woman who taught me. My mother-in-law's challah, and she promised me we could learn its magic. It always starts with a breath, a bloom. In a bowl, we combine warm water, a spoonful of sugar, and the yeast. We watch. We wait. In 5 minutes, it transforms from granules into a frothy, living cloud. This is the first yes. The dough's promise to rise. To this cloud, we add the heartbeat. Eggs, golden oil, a cascade of sugar, a pour of vanilla, her secret whisper of sweetness, then the mountain of flour. We stir until a shaggy, hopeful mess appears. Then we turn it out. This is the knead. 8 minutes by the clock, a push, a fold, a turn. A quiet meditation where the mess becomes smooth, where the dough gathers its strength and becomes elastic, alive. We tuck it into a bowl, cover it with a cloth, and walk away. For an hour, maybe 2. This is its first dream, its first rise. When we return, the dough has doubled, filled with air and ambition. We gently press it down, a soft sigh. We divide it in half. Here comes the beautiful geometry. We take 1/2 and craft it into 4 even ropes. This is where fingers learn to dance, the 4-strand braid. It sounds complex, but she taught me a rhyme. Right over 2, left over 2, all the way down. That's what you do. We cross and tuck, creating a plait that is both simple and sacred. A round loaf for eternity, a long one for the Sabbath table. We place our creation on a tray, a sculpture of potential. Now, the alchemy of light. We beat a whole egg with an extra yolk. This is pure, liquid gold. With a soft brush, we paint the loaf. This wash is a shield, a promise of the crust to come. We let it rest one more time, to puff up with pride. Then, into the oven it goes, at her special, singular temperature, 345 degrees, not 350, 345. Some secrets are precise. For 25 minutes, the heat works its final magic. The aroma that fills the kitchen is the smell of history, of home, of success. And here is the twist, the beautiful truth she shared. This isn't just about following steps. It's about the pause for the yeast to breathe. It's about the patience in the knead. It's about the love in the braid. The recipe is just the map.